So I decided to put YouTube Shorts on my main channel, Ali Mirza, which is right here. I used to have long form videos for a while, but recently I decided to put more YouTube Shorts on my main channel, and we're going to talk about why I made that decision. Before we jump into it, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. Okay, now let's talk about YouTube Shorts. So like you, when YouTube Shorts came, I had that concern that if I put them on my main channel, is it going to be good or bad, or maybe people will start leaving, right? So I have tested YouTube Shorts on different channels, mix and match, you name it, anything you can think of. Testing wise, I've been doing it. I'm still gonna plan on doing it. So here's one of my channel, Tech Social 101. This used to be a long form content, but recently, if you look at the recent content, it's all YouTube Shorts. So look at all this content. It's mostly YouTube, primarily like YouTube Shorts. Here you go. All of this is like YouTube Shorts, and it's working pretty good. This channel is growing. The audience of this channel is different from my main channel. By the way, if you want to learn about like tech hacks, like iPhone hacks, technology hacks, go subscribe to this channel as well. And then there was another channel that I created, Ali Mirza Short. Let's go find that channel. Here you go. Here you go. So this channel was also primarily short channel. Look at this. So it did have a couple of good views, 2.7K. Didn't have a huge success with this channel. And then I have some other channels that I've done some testing on. So just wanted to show you that I have tested since the YouTube Shorts launched. I've tested them on separate channels, mix and match channels, and then also on my main channel. But now, what I'm looking at, what I'm finding out from the data, I'm actually gonna put more emphasis on my main channel by bringing on YouTube Shorts. So I'm planning on doing more shorts on my YouTube channel. I do believe that I don't think YouTube Shorts, putting YouTube Shorts on my main channel is gonna hurt. I think by looking at what type of people shorts are attracting on my main channel, and also reading the comments, right? I believe YouTube Shorts, one, it's bringing me new audience. Two, by reading the comment, it's the right type of audience. And also, I'm not just putting random shorts. If you look at, here's the shorts column on my row, not column, on my channel. If you look at, a lot of my content is about Instagram, business, Instagram monetization. So it's relevant, it's the topic, even though it's short form content, it's YouTube Short, but the topic is the same topic that my channel promises, because my channel is about marketing hacks, tools, tips, experiments that I run about social media tools. So I'm doing the same thing with my YouTube Shorts. The format is different. It's done in less time, but the topic or the promise that I'm making to the viewer is the same. Now, a couple of things I want to show you. So here are some of my recent shorts, and then if you look at, I am getting some of these shorts are reaching more views now. 6.6K. I had one 7.8Ks and then 22Ks. In the early days, it took a while on my channel. I believe it took a couple of months before my YouTube Shorts getting into the thousands of views. Mostly they were like in hundreds or low hundreds, maybe like low thousands. But recently it's piling up. Now, let me show you something. So here is one of my YouTube Shorts. And look at this data right here. It's 13-second long, and then see, I am attracting new people, so 38 new subscribers from the short. It's not in the mega view of things, 22.8K views. That's not huge, that's not a lot, but but when I look at it from the lens of my small channel, it's pretty decent. The other thing is, if you look at this graph, right? So I posted this video, and for a while it didn't do much, and then it got the first push from shorts, and then it kind of stayed here, and then another push from shorts, and then stayed here, and then maybe there's another push coming, who knows, right? So it seems like if you have a good piece of content that people want to consume, YouTube can put that on shorts shelf multiple times. So that's really, really interesting. Another thing I'm noticing is my shorts are attracting a different type of audience from different demographic, people who is not like a typical subscriber on my channel. So it's bringing me, I can tell YouTube Shorts is bringing me new viewers who were not following my account before. So I'm finding new people. And then also when I look at read the comments, I can tell it's the right type of people. Why? Because they're asking me questions about social media, about Instagram growth, about Facebook ads, things like that. So I know they are the new people and the right people. So this is why I was really concerned if you asked me a couple months ago, I was really concerned that putting YouTube Shorts on my main channel, I wasn't sure if it's the right decision or not at the time, but now I do believe that I'm gonna put more YouTube Shorts on my main channel. I'm not going away from long form videos, so don't worry. I'm still gonna do long form tutorials, the content that you love from me, but I'm gonna put more emphasis on shorts, and I'm always gonna be testing. I'll test different formats, different length of shorts, maybe music, without music, because I'm a huge believer in hashtag ABT. Always be testing. But something I wanted to share with you guys, if you are thinking of YouTube Shorts, I would definitely suggest that you experiment with YouTube Shorts. Put it on your main channel. If you are concerned, if you're scared like me, like I was, it's okay. You can start a brand new channel and then test things out. But I do believe YouTube Shorts is gonna bring you new people. And if you create good content on YouTube Shorts, you can grow really, really fast. If you have any questions, leave those questions below in the comments. Before you go, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.